In this video, we will talk about how to deploy IPSec VPN on Sangfor NGAF. There are some basic configurations for deploying IPSec VPN connection between NGAF and third-party device. For the Phase 1, you need to configure the mode, SAR exchange, pre-shared key, verify ID, DPD and NAT-T. For the Phase 2, you need to configure protocol, PFS, encryption algorithm, SAR lifetime, local subnet and peer subnet. NGAF must have branch VPN sites license to establish IPSec VPN. Select network and interfaces. We will use F1 as WAN and DEF2 as LAN. Set up the line on the interface. Outgoing line at IPSec VPN configuration must be the same as outgoing line at WAN attribute root interface. Select IPSec VPN and status. If the VPN service is disabled, you need to enable the VPN service. Select VPN interface. If your LAN interface is not in the VPN interface, you need to add the LAN interface to VPN interface. Select third-party connection and add new connection. Enter the device name. There are 3 peer IP address type and we will configure on static IP. Authentication method we used is pre-shared key. Enter the shared key. Select the local line which same as the outgoing line of one interface. Select new. Enter the local IP address. You can choose local LAN service. All services are selected by default. Enter the peer IP address. You can add security proposal if the protocol, encryption algorithm and authentication algorithm you used is not in the list. Click Save. Select IC options. You may choose the IC version. If the peer IP address is dynamic IP, you need to use aggressive mode. Local ID and peer ID are required to configure on both devices if aggressive mode is selected or there is NAT device between the two ends. Make sure DH group selected is same as peer device. DPD is used to check whether the peer device is available in order to delete abnormal tunnel in time. Please make sure the same is applied on both ends. Disable NAT-T under main mode. Enable NAT-T if there is NAT device between the two ends. You can add security proposal if the encryption algorithm and authentication algorithm you used is not in the list. Click Save. Select IP and IPSec. We will use the default policy proposals. Authentication algorithm is SHA-1, encryption algorithm is ZIN. Non-PFS group is selected. Select peer profiles. We will use the default configuration also. Hash algorithm is SHA-1, encryption algorithm are 3 dozens, DH group are mod 1024 and mod 2048. Select peers and add new IPSec peer. Enter peer 1 IP. Port 500. Authentication method is pre-shared key. Secret must be same as the secret configured on NGAF. Select policies and add new IPSec policy. Source address is MikroTik LAN segment. Destination IP is NGAF LAN segment. Select action. Enable tunnel, SAR source address is micro-T1 IP. SAR destination address is NGAF 1 IP. You can see the PH2 state is established. You can also select remote peers to check VPN connection. Select status. You will see the IPSec VPN is built successfully. Precautions. Dynamic IP needs to apply for a domain name and use aggressive mode.